Hello, it's me, JJ. I'd like to show you. It's in February 3rd, 2019. THX Smoking 5.1 surround sound test. And for the Pine Home PG 980 AUH. But I got the new zero. The package just came. It's Pioneer VSX 81 TXV, which I got it because instead for the 7.1 surround THX. So I'm not gonna have to use it to recreate, and I'm gonna have to do a video for soon. This time I'm gonna use them for the Pioneer with Dolby Digital Surround DX. This is a left channel. Next, we have the center channel. Over here is the right channel. This is the right surround channel. Now the right rear surround channel. This is the left rear surround channel. This is the left surround channel. The next sound you hear is the LFE channel. The best sound, the best picture. You're watching THX Certified Feature. 2000 copyright 2000 Lucasfilm Limited and television mode. All right reserved. And yes, I am joking. I will never ever delete that video.